Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to show you how to use Gamma.app, one of the most popular or powerful AI tools for creating beautiful presentations, documents and web pages fast and without design skill. So if you are tired of boring slides or spending hours in PowerPoint or Canva, Gamma is a total game changer. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, you just need to understand what actually is Gamma. So Gamma is an AI-powered presentations and document tool that helps you create visually engaging content with zero design effort. You can use it to create business presentations, reports and proposal, and also the landing page, portfolios, and even initial or internal docs and client deck. It is like mixing Notion simplicities, Canva design sense, and ChatGPT's intelligence all in one. Now let me show you how to use it step by step. So first of all, we are going to talk about to create a new document. So once you are logged into Gamma, then you will get an option called create new with AI or new from the blank. So it's totally up to you. So now you will two options start from sketch or use AI to generate a doc or deck. So I will click over here new from the blank. Let's choose use AI instead of this one because it will help us to understand AI things also. So I'm going to delete this one, send to trash, and then I will click on create an AI. So now you just need to be enter prompt like this way. You just need to paste in a text or generate. So here, how would you like to get started? So here I will click over here, and then you just need to paste your content here. So I will give an prompt, create a presentations about AI trends in 2025, and then you just need to generate notes or an outline. You just need to select this one and continue with the prompt. Just click generate, and within seconds you come across the full presentations outline and broken into slides, structure, content and visuals. So here you can see it. So here we just need to click over here, and they are telling us to upgrade to this one. So it's quite hard because we are using the free plan. So let's go back, and here I will go to the back again similarly, and I will just click to the generate, and then I will give the text in here that create a presentations about AI trends in 2025, and then generate outline, and they will provide the outline. It is, let me tell you, is it not pretty cool? Answer me on the comment box. Now let's talk about the customize your presentation. So now that your deck is generated, let's customize it. There's a navigational layout. Like on the left, you will see all your cards or slides. Here you can see, just click the generate. Once you did, then you will get these options in here, and you can see that our presentation creation almost done. So here you can see the eventual result. So now here you will see the navigation and layout. On the left you will see all card slides in here, and you can pick any slide to edit the text, image or structure. Let's say we are going to edit this one. You can pick images, you can delete it, you can zoom it, you can crop it, whatever you want. Then you can double check to edit text. Like you just need to double check the edit text. I'm going to add this subscribe one, and you can see I already add. Then if you want to like add bullet points, words or image, you just need to click the plus icon. Let's say in here you will get this blank card options. Similarly you will get this plus options for add column. Similarly you have the options for add more bullet points in here. Like you just need to click on enter, and you can add bullet points in here. Then you can also use markdown style formatting for quick changes. Then let's talk about the themes and style. You just need to click on the design tab to change your theme. Like here you will get to see the theme options in here. You just need to be find it out, then you can change the template. Here you can see this is the current template options. Gamma has modern templates with animations, gradients and responsive layout. You can customize font, colors, card shape and layout instantly. Then adding media, you just need to be hit the plus button at the to the add GIFs, videos, cards, tables or web embedders. You can even paste your YouTube link or tweet it auto embedded. Everything is auto aligned and mobile responsive, no dragging or resizing needed. It is so much simple. Now let's talk about use AI assistants. One of the best part is comes with built-in AI assistant. You just need to select any block or text, then click the magic one. Let's say we're going to select whole text, and then you will get this magic text like edit with AI. They will now choose from options like improving, like here you can see expand text, more engaging, then condense text, visualizations, visualize key points, suggest image and many more. So you can also prompt the AI to add new slides, restructure your content or even generate ideas in mid project. It's like having a co-writer and designer at the same time. When you are done editing, it's time to share your creations. You can click present to launch full screen slide with transitions. Like here you just need to click over here, it already been done. Now here you can see it. If you click over here, your presentation will be started. Now let's click to the exit, and you can share the link also. Here you can see, like just click to the share, and from that place you just need to copy the link. You can share a link with a view or edit access, then embedded it into website or Notion. So here you can see this is the embedded option. You just need to be copied to the embedded link, and then you can paste it in your website or Notion. Then last one is export. So export as a PDF or PowerPoint file if needed. You have these options. Just click to the export, and then you just need to choose the format, like how you want to show. It could be PowerPoint, it could be PDF. You just need to be click over here. Once you click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes and it will be export as PDF. Everything is web based, so your audience does not need to install anything. And yes, it looks great on desktop, tablet and mobile also. Here you can see it already been downloaded as a PDF, so you can download it as fast as possible. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. So the pros are, it is fast AI slide generation and it has no design skill needed, and it is clean and modern visuals. It has responsive and mobile friendly looks, and also it is built-in collaboration and sharing options available in here. Then it is great for business, education and creators. So that's you can easily use Gamma.app in 2025 to create amazing presentations and documents in AI. If you are tired or like traditional slides and want something modern, fast and collaborative, Gamma is 100% worth trying. So let me know in the comments what you are planning to use Gamma for. Business, schools, content creation. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.